Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a copyright symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a copyright symbol on your Microsoft Excel web, I'm just going to show in this video. So if you are using insert option on, there is no insert symbol option present on the Microsoft Excel web. So you can use your keyboard shortcut here. So the keyboard shortcut for the copyright symbol on your keyboard on your Windows will be Alt key plus 0169. Okay, so now I just going to show you just press the Alt key with 0169, so it automatically insert the copyright symbol. Press the Alt key plus type 0169. You just want to press the Alt key plus type 0169. That's it. It automatically insert the copyright symbol. The second way is you just need to type Windows. You just want to press the Windows key plus dot symbol. So just press the Windows key plus dot symbol, which opens the symbol option, symbol box here. So you can just click on the symbol option. And here, if it is on something else, you just change to the general punctuation. And here you can find the copyright symbol. So this is a two way that you can insert a copyright symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.